Today we are going to learn how to write the hiragana character ki. Ki is 4 strokes. The first stroke is slightly diagonal and up to the right. And the second stroke is just about parallel with the first stroke, but slightly more diagonal, up to the right. The third stroke comes down and into a curve, and as you exit the stroke to the left, create a small point as you move into the fourth stroke, which is another curved line down and to the right. These two parts should be as if they were connected, and make sure to leave space here, and that these lines are just slightly parallel and that everything fits inside one box.